Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap South Tucson local and long-distance movers near me. One crucial step to achieve a smooth and successful move is hiring the services of a moving company. You need to invest time in searching for a competent and reliable moving company. Choosing the right moving company will save you from stress and disappointments. So how do you identify the ideal moving company? The right moving company has a well-structured planning and execution procedure. Also, they have a qualified team and appropriate moving equipment. 3 Movers is the top moving company that fits that description. We are a moving firm in South Tucson, Arizona that offers cheap and affordable local and long-distance moves. Before our establishment in the city, it was challenging to get an experienced moving company in South Tucson, Arizona. We have provided residents easy access to enjoy top-of-the-line moving services. Our services are affordable, cheap, and adequate. We also have an excellent moving package specially designed to meet your needs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our South Tucson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a quote using our online request form.